Hey guys, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Vandanam, this is Shobana Viramani. Welcome to my channel.
லஞ்ச் ரெடி, சாப்பிடலாம்.
சாப்பாடா? வா, பசி இல்லம்மா.
What just happened? How does anyone know when not to eat anything? I have only seen people eat anything at any time. Dieting is okay, but ये चल क्या रहा है? लोगों को पता कैसे लग रहा है कि अब नहीं खाना?
What dieting are you in? Keto or paleo? Give me a second. Intermittent fasting. Like I always say, weight loss is the biggest noise in the mankind these days. Each and one of us are definitely looking ways to either to shed some kilos or to gain some. But there is a systematic approach to deal this in yogic culture. If you like to know more, please stay with me till end of this video. To support my work, please like this content and subscribe to this channel and get notified whenever there is a new content to this channel. Do not forget to click on this bell icon that can keep you notified, and please continue to share this content with as many people as you know, because the time has come to know why we are doing what we are doing. Intermittent fasting is ruling in today's weight loss market. Every one of them are talking about weight loss with intermittent fasting and all the social medias and other forums to know how much hours you need to fast to how much kilos of weight shed. Intermittent fasting is the new name. What we already know, what yogis already knew through their experience from the yogic sciences, now the modern science is also coming in line with it. What are we investing new about this? Our grandmothers already knew about it and they called it Ekadasi. Ekadasi fasting is the key to clear the system in all levels. On the days of Ekadasi, we don't eat our breakfast or lunch. We eat one meal that is a wholesome meal after the sunset, but continuing our activities as usual, doing our sadhanas as usual, going to office and whatnot. The regular activities were kept intact, but we skip our breakfast and lunch and have a wholesome meal after the sunset. Everyone in this generation definitely knows how fasting is important and how fasting helps us to rejuvenate ourselves, but it is important to know how to do it right. At the same time, we should not be doing fasting forcefully. If you observe the cycles of this body, there is something called mandala. This mandala happens between 40 to 48 days in one cycle. So what happens is, during this mandala, there are at least 3 days where your body doesn't require food. It can perform very well without food. And that's how my father and my kid did not say yes to meal, and they were just okay without meal on those days. But for those who do not know or are not aware about the body cycles by themselves, for them Ekadasi was set. What to eat on Ekadasi? Well, we have discussed on amazing health tips from the yogic sciences in all our previous episodes. You might have a look on Ashgard juice, episode number 1. I will link it over here. You may also look for Sanjeevani drink, which is also a Sattu or a Navadhaniyam Kanji. We discussed in millets episode. I will link the episode number 9 over here. It's amazing, and it is best to go on a fruits diet on Ekadasi days. It keeps you very light and it's very easy to digest as well. So I will link the episode number 13 over here. You can have a look on fruits episode if you haven't paid attention to it earlier. You can go on waterless on Ekadasi days, but you need not force yourself for that. If you go waterless, it is the best amazing effects it has on your body for purification and rejuvenation of a system on a cellular basis, but you need not force yourself for that. Ekadasi dinner. This is the most favorite dinner for me in the entire month. You know why? The hunger is really real. I'm so hungry, or we are so hungry, whoever fasts in Ekadasi days, that we look forward for this wholesome meal. I usually take some boiled black chana along with brown rice cooked with green gram and with some vegetables half cooked and fruits, of course. So this forms a wholesome meal for my Ekadasi dinner, and it keeps me quickly rejuvenated and gives me the instant energy what I need to carry on my work as usual. I will link all the information I said here in the description below. All the links will be found in the description below and you can have a look later. Will you join me in fasting in next Ekadasi? Making this video and reaching you guys makes a huge difference for me because I have come alive, so you do too. Namaskaram.